Assalamualaikum kids. How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, today I am going to teach you about cube. And cube is a solid shape. Children, in the first I want to show you some examples of cube which we use in our daily routine. Like gift box, ice cube, building blocks, learning blocks, dice, and puzzle. These all are the examples of cube. Now, children, we will draw and write a cube in your number copy. So, open your copy and start your work with me. Children, in the first, you will draw a margin line on the left side of the copy, like this. Then you will draw a cube. Children, for draw a cube, you need a scale, pencil, and an eraser. Now let's start to draw a cube. Children, in the first, you will take 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you will draw a line here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will draw a line here and by taking 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Now children, you will draw a line here by taking 4 boxes. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you will match both lines. Like this. Now you will draw another square shape from the middle of this square and by taking 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you will draw a line like this. Then you will draw a line here by taking 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. And here you will also draw a line. And now you will match to both lines. Like this. Now children, you will match the upper right corners. Like this. And you will match the upper left 2 corners. Like this. And now you will match lower right 2 corners. 1, 2. Like this. And here you will match the lower 2 corners, lower left side corners. Now children, take an eraser and erase all the lines which we draw inside the cube. Like this. Now children, we will draw a line in the center of the page and make 2 columns. Like this. And now you will write a spelling of cube. And the spelling of cube is C-U-B-E. Cube. And here you will also write the spelling of cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. Now you will leave one line and here you will also write the spelling of cube. C-U-B-E, cube. Now write it again. C-U-B-E, cube. C-U-B-E, cube. Now write here the spelling of cube by leaving one line. And the spelling of cube is C-U-B-E, cube. C-U-B-E, cube. Now write it again. The spelling of cube, C-U-B-E, cube. Children, you will complete this page at home by the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.